Greetings from Tollare in Nacka, this wild rocky beach next to the college, or how should I say, Folkhögskola community college here in Nacka, out in the nature. And it's time for yet another beach adventure with Kris on this 18th of August 2025, beach day number 94, I believe. And I got here with my Scott travel bike, 16 kilometers from my home, and it's time to take a swim here in the Baltic Sea. We can see on the other side the way towards Fisk, etc. And there is also one jetty over there that's close to the school. And then let's head to the waters and go in for a swim here at Tollare. So I have already measured the temperature in the water, and it's 19 degrees Celsius, and it's probably today the last hot day here in Stockholm. 23 degrees Celsius currently, as it is 12:25 p.m. And here we can also enter the water easily because there is also some rocks and pebbles inside the water, and we can see lots of houses on the other side as well over here. And there is even a sign here that says the allowed speed is 12 knots here indeed. So yes, beautiful nature all around, and yet another beach adventure with Kris for sure. So are you ready for swimming the sea where it is only 19 degrees Celsius in the water? So a lot warmer in the air. So ready, set and go! Beautiful. Amazing. A beautiful day out on the sea. And around this cliff there are even more rocky cliffs that are also very hard to get to as well. But here it is so nice to get in. There is even a jetty there close to the school, which I'm gonna be using some other day. But yes, I'm checking out Tollare once again. I have been close by here to the Mortensholme, which is an island next to Tollare, the newly built area. This is still undeveloped here, and there is only the school that is here close by. But I think it is super nice and amazing, and it's definitely out on the sea for sure. So yeah, let's then dive in once again. Whew. Now the waves came from the boat. So here the boats that are going to the small harbor over there are generating big waves, and it's still super nice indeed. And I just can't believe that the summer, the main part of the summer, is coming to an end, as it's going to be later this week only maximum of 15 degrees Celsius in the air. So yeah, and it has been 5 months, and 1 week since my hair transplant actually. So the hair is growing, which is amazing, and that means that soon it's gonna be even better than it is currently. So greetings then from this wild beach spot in Tollare in Nacka. And I'm using my last day, the last hot day, to take adventure to the sea, as in the upcoming days we'll be probably visiting the lakes. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.